Hi. It's been a while. Boy, a lot's happened. But we have some exciting news. In the meantime, we had a really close encounter with our groundhog, at least a groundhog, and we thought we'd share.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
Poor thing. Hi, babies. Okay, well, we did put that up to keep the deer out of our yard, but it looks like our little groundhog got very adventurous, and I don't know how we're gonna get him out of this. He really is so cute, but it looks like he might have an injury with some pus coming out. That's just the light, I don't know. Sasha went up to it. Let's see what we can do. Don't think it's caught, I think it's just in front of the net. And Don's going to try to lift the net. I wonder if you should try lifting it like from over there so that you're not in its direct path.
Well, I can come over here.
Yeah.
I lift it, but not directly on it.
I think especially bare-legged, you should be as far away as possible in case it tries to bite you.
Sasha got it right up to his face and he didn't bite it.
Okay.
He go right after.
It does look scared. Let's see what happens. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, there he went. He's gone. Oh. Hi, baby.
Give him an apple.
No. We should not feed it, Don. There you go. Maybe it was just stunned. Hopefully that interaction was a peaceful one for it, and it looks smaller than the other one. And to our storage unit wheel.